Hello children. Children, in this video, we are going to learn how to add unlike fractions. So, let us take one example. 1 by 5 we are going to add with 2 by 3. Because the denominators are not same, so these two fractions are unlike fractions. How to add the given unlike fractions? So, the first step is make both the fractions like. Means you have to convert the given unlike fractions into like fractions. Second step, how to convert it into like fractions? So you have to find the LCM of the denominators. Let us find the LCM of the denominators 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 have only one common factor, number 1. It means what will be the LCM of 5 and 3? It is 5 into 3 and it is 15. Now make like fractions. How to make? Take the first fractional number. So you have to make the denominator equal to the LCM. Read the table of 5 and reach till 15. 5 3 times is 15. As we are making the like fractions, we know that if the denominator we have multiplied by 3, so the numerator also should be multiplied by the same number, that is 3. 1 3 times is 3 and 5 3 times is 15. See, denominator is same to the LCM and we got the first like fraction. Now the second, it is 2 by 3. The second fractional number is 2 by 3. So make the denominator equal to the LCM. Read the table of 3 and reach till LCM 15. 3 5 times is 15. So denominator we got 15. But you have to multiply the same number in the numerator also, 5. So 2 5 times is 10. This is the second like fraction. Now you can add. Now you got the like fractions. In the previous video I told you, in the like fractions denominator is same, 15. So add the numerator, 3 plus 10, you get 13 by 15. When you add 3 and 10, you get 13. 13 by 15. Let us take one more example. So I am taking 1 by 9 will add with 5 by 3. Again, these two are unlike fractions. So what I told you first step? Yes, make it like fractions. How to make like fractions? Second step, find out LCMs of the denominator. Chalo, let us find LCM of 9 and 3. You know how to find LCM, children? So we got the LCM 9. LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. Now make like fractions of both the fractional numbers. You know that 9 is already in the denominator and it is equal to the LCM. So if you multiply by 1, you get the same number. If you don't multiply also, then also 1 by 9 is already equal to the LCM. Make this denominator equals to the LCM. 3, read the table of 3 and reach till LCM. 3 3 times is 9. Same number multiplied in the numerator. 5 3 times is 15 by 9. Now you got the two like fractions. Add it. 1 by 9 is added to 15 by 9. So denominator is 9. Add the numerators. You get 16 by 9. So you get the answer 16 by 9. Children, again I am repeating the steps. First, make the unlike fractions into like fractions. How to make the like fractions? You just find the LCMs of the denominators and then change the given fractional unlike fractions into like fractions, and then finally you get the answer. I hope now you can add the given unlike fractions easily by finding the LCMs of the denominators. Thank you, children.